Case Study: Enhancing UI Design Efficiency with AxeYourBoutique.com. A UI/UX design agency was tasked with redesigning a complex web application for a software company. The project required creating a modern and intuitive user interface that would improve user productivity and satisfaction. To streamline their design process and enhance efficiency, the design agency decided to leverage AxeYourBoutique.com, which offers widget libraries and pre-built templates. Design challenge. The existing web application had a cluttered interface with inconsistent design elements, leading to user confusion and decreased productivity. The design agency aimed to create a cohesive and user-friendly interface while optimizing their design workflow to meet project deadlines. Utilizing AxeYourBoutique.com. The design agency began by exploring the AxeYourBoutique.com library, which offered a wide range of UI components, including buttons, forms, navigation menus, and data visualization elements. They selected components that aligned with the project's design goals and the software company's brand guidelines. Efficient design iterations. By utilizing AxeYourBoutique.com, the design agency significantly reduced the time spent on designing and prototyping individual UI elements. They seamlessly integrated the pre-built components into their actual projects, allowing them to focus on higher-level design decisions and interactions. This efficiency enabled the team to iterate rapidly and explore multiple design variations. Consistency and visual cohesion. AxeYourBoutique.com's UI components ensured visual consistency throughout the web application. The design agency customized the components to match the software company's branding, maintaining a cohesive look and feel across different screens and modules. This consistency enhanced the user experience and reduced cognitive load for users. Collaboration and feedback. The design agency collaborated closely with the software company's stakeholders, including product managers and developers. They shared actual prototypes containing the AxeYourBoutique.com components, allowing stakeholders to provide feedback and make informed design decisions. The pre-built components facilitated effective communication and alignment among team members. Time and resource savings. By leveraging AxeYourBoutique.com, the design agency saved significant time and resources that would have otherwise been spent on designing and prototyping individual UI elements from scratch. This allowed the team to meet project deadlines and allocate more time to user research, usability testing, and refining the overall user experience. Outcome. The design agency successfully redesigned the web application, thanks to the efficiency and convenience provided by AxeYourBoutique.com. The cohesive and user-friendly interface resulted in increased user productivity and satisfaction. The software company's users found the new interface intuitive and easy to navigate, leading to a decrease in user errors and an increase in task completion rates. The design agency received positive feedback from stakeholders, who appreciated the streamlined design process and the consistent visual appearance achieved with AxeYourBoutique.com.